In this video, I'll show you how I turned this salvage Bronco and turned it into thousands of dollars in pure profit. If you're new to the channel, my name is Bilal and I buy and sell cars full time. If you're interested in learning how to make multiple six figures per year buying and selling cars, then make sure to subscribe so you don't miss any new uploads. I bought this car from an online public auction hundreds of miles away from me, which means I had no idea what to expect when the car arrived. I didn't know if the car's engine, transmission, or anything else in it would be in good condition or not, but I decided to take the risk regardless, because no risk equals no reward. On the day of the auction, I got a notification that I had won the car. I was the highest bidder at $8,100. However, I was a little bit concerned because the price seemed a little too good to be true. Why would a $27,000 car go for so cheap? Is there something I missed? Or is there hidden mechanical damage that I was not aware of? I didn't know it yet, but this car had many hidden surprises that I was not expecting. Today, I'll show you the entire process of how much I paid for the car, how much it cost to fix it, how much I sold it for, and at the end, you'll see how much profit I made. Here's the footage from the day the car arrived. Enjoy. There we go, Ford Bronco. As you can see, we got a new tail light. Trunk, we're gonna try to fix that. A new bumper here. But yeah, it's a 2022. See, ooh, still got that new car smell. Oh wow, look at that. That's cool. Never mind, it lagged. Let's pop the hood, see what we're working with. Whew, that's a nice car. Bronco. Dang, that's hot. Alright, I don't know if it's supposed to look like this. I think it's supposed to be a cover here, I think. Could be wrong. Check the oil, as always. Oil is good. So that's good. It's a good sign. We got coolant. So also I check for here. Batteries, I mean, this is a brand new car basically. Only like 20,000 miles. So let's go ahead. God, that's hot. Good God. Ah, stuff. Erie, that's an insurance company, so that's who you want to be buying from. Let's hop inside. Park brake on. We got two keys, 1 and 2. Let's go here. Put on the brake. Bismillah. Okay. Turned on pretty well. You want to turn this off because this stays on if the door's open, and that back door got hit, so I don't think it closes all the way. As you can see right there, it shows the back left door is open. So we'll turn this off so it doesn't drain the battery. See, oh, this has the weird gear shifter, so that's reverse. Something's scraping. Okay, yeah, something's scraping pretty loud. I don't know if you guys can catch that on the camera. Let me go see what's scraping. Ah, yes, that makes sense. That's why it's scraping. The metal is hitting the rim, so we have to pull this out before we move the car anywhere. But yeah, other than that, pretty good. We're gonna need a new window right here. New window. Still opens. Seatbelts are good, which is a good sign. I got buy any of those. Whew. Yeah, so all that will get pulled out. Yeah, besides that, no damage anywhere else. So yeah, just came in and that's it for right now. I'm gonna just leave the car parked and we'll get a quote from the body guy when he gets here.
1 week later.
All right, y'all, here's a midway progress update. As you can see, they pulled it a little bit. The car got hit, it got pushed in. Now they pulled it out. And now, of course, it's not gonna look perfect right now, but then they're gonna sand all this down, use Bondo, make it look all like brand new. And yeah, so that's the progress right now, and we'll see later how it turns out. All right, y'all, checking in on the car and the Bronco. That's what it's looking like. Got the body guy doing his thing. Gotta do the back, and we got the glass, and that should be good to go. And he got some pizza. So we're about to eat. Yeah. All right, y'all, here's the Bronco. What it's looking like. It's basically almost done. Got a couple trim pieces in here to work on. But besides that, it's almost done, and I can't wait to see how it looks like when we install the glass and wash the car and see how it comes out. All right, y'all, next day, here's what it's looking like. The guy put the letters on, so it's looking all good. Car's looking almost brand new. So let's get in there, and when it's done, you guys will see it. All right, y'all, here's the finished product from the body guy. As you can see, we did get a new window. So new window, and everything got fixed. New tail light. So that's what it's looking like. Came out pretty good. Of course, the rest of the car had no damage. But now tomorrow, what I have to do with this car, because I want to let the paint dry for a little more. I don't want to risk it at the car wash. So tomorrow what I'm going to do first thing in the morning is I'm going to go wash this car and then take pictures. Because this car has been sitting here for a little too long now. But yeah, there you go. Hopefully you guys can get on camera. It looks pretty good. Of course, the inside is all good. So, yes, sir. That's it. I pay the body guy. There's a hadith that says, pay your employee or pay your worker before the sweat dries on him. You got to pay him right away as soon as he's done. So that's that. And yeah, so now we should be good to go. And so the next clip, I'll catch you tomorrow. All right, y'all, it is the next day. It is early in the morning, 9 a.m. Well, not really early, but a little early in the morning. We're gonna go wash this car now. I'm gonna go through a car wash and clean the inside because this car desperately needs a car wash. And after that, we'll take the pictures. And yeah, that should be it for this car. We also need to do the inspection, and then we'll post the car, and that's it. This car should be ready for sale today. Yeah, as you can see, is the before. Dirty, so we'll get all this cleaned hopefully. But yeah, here we go. All right, y'all, we got some lights on the dash that I do not remember seeing, but hold on. Okay, a door open. Let me fix that. All right. Now we got two more lights on. That one's easy. This one is easy. That's just tire light. That two, I don't know why the airbag light is on because no airbags deployed. I'm not sure, but we will find out. I'm gonna drive the car because maybe these lights will clear by themselves. So I'm gonna head to the car wash spot right now and we'll see. Hopefully these clear by themselves. Here we go. All right, y'all, the car is not driving bad at all, so pretty smooth. I mean, it is 2022, only 28,000 miles. So driving pretty smooth. We're going to the place where we wash the cars, do a quick wash and clean the inside, and yeah, that should be it. All right, and just like that, we're going through the car wash. Hopefully it comes out good. And unfortunately, these lights did not turn off after driving, so we'll have to check those out as well. So here we go. All right, and here's the before. We got trash, trash, trash. Just dirty and dusty. So we'll get all this cleaned up, hopefully. So here we go. All right, here's the post wash. Here's what we looking like. What we got. All right. Now we can go. I'm gonna go back to the shop real quick and pressure wash the floor mats because they were pretty dirty. So I'm gonna go do that and then we'll go take the pictures. As always, if you guys want to learn how to flip cars like this, I have a full program linked down in the description below. In there, you get the entire course, the entire program, the entire blueprint to do what I do and make thousands of dollars of profit for every single car you flip. In there, you also get direct daily access to me every single day. I'm gonna help you throughout the entire process from finding the car to buying it, to fixing it, to selling it. I'm gonna hold your hand throughout the entire way to help you out. And that way we can increase your rate of success dramatically. But right now we're pulling up to the shop. We're gonna pressure wash the mats, get them all cleaned, and then we can go take the pictures. All right, we got the strap, the pressure washer. Let's go. Ooh, there you go, there you go. Gotta charge up. Oh my god.
Buy a pressure washer, bro.
Whatever, bro.
Y'all go watch some ads. So
All right, y'all, we got the floor mats plugged in. Now we can go take the pictures. All right, y'all, and just like that, we're at the spot where we take pictures. So now we'll go ahead and take the pictures. And of course, I'll show you guys how they come out. All right, y'all, we got the pictures and we are heading out now. Now it's time to go back to the shop, put on the sticker. We need to do an inspection on this car and a DMV inspection because this car is a 2022. And cars that are 5 years or newer in the state of North Carolina, you have to do a pre and post fixing inspection. So before you fix the car, you have to take it to them and they'll do an inspection, tell you what parts you need to get. And then once you fix the car, you come back for the post inspection and the car's all fixed. And then you also have to bring your receipts on what you fixed and what you did to the car in order to fix the vehicle. So yeah, I'm gonna head back to the shop right now. I'm gonna put the sticker on, do the state inspection, which is just the regular inspection. And then on Tuesday, because that's the next day they'll open, I'll go to the DMV to do the post DMV inspection. But yeah, I'll catch you guys at the shop. We're in the Bronco right now. We are headed to QCB, the mechanic, because this Bronco is making a weird noise with like under 15 miles an hour. It's like a weird like screeching noise coming from the engine, and it only happens under 15 miles an hour, which is really weird. So we're about to go there right now, see what it is. Hopefully it's something easy. He can fix it real quick. And also the airbag light is on for some reason. And then also like the lane assist light is on. So those two things we need to get checked out as well. So we're going there right now and I'll see you when we get there. All right, we just pulled up. Here are the lights on the dash I was talking about, the airbag light and then the lane assist light. And there's the boy Brian. So let's go see what's up. All right, we went on a quick test drive. He heard the noise, so we're about to see if he can see what it is. That's weird. Ah, okay.
The next day.
All right, y'all, I'm on the way to DMV right now to do the post DMV inspection because with newer cars, 5 years and newer, you have to do a pre and post DMV inspection. So I'm going there right now to do the post DMV inspection. I'll catch you guys when I'm there. All right, the Ford Bronco sold just yesterday. We got the money right here. Wasn't able to record it. I wasn't here, unfortunately. But let's run it through the money counter and let's see how much we got. 15.6. All right, y'all. Now it's time for the fun part. It's time to run the numbers and see how much money we made, how much we bought the car for, how much we spent to fix it, how much we sold it for, and then how much profit we made in the end. I'm also going to run through how long this flip took and also the return on investment for this flip. So let's go through it. First things first, we were the winning bidder at $8,100 for this Bronco. So $8,100, that was the max bid. We won the car, $8,100. But then after fees, the Copart fees, it came out to $9,093. So almost $1,000 in fees just for Copart, which is, it is what it is. The next major expense was the labor to the body guy for him to fix the car. That was $1,200. So the body guy, he fixed the trunk, he fixed the quarter panel, and he also fixed the rear bumper, the plastic rear bumper. He was able to fix that as well. And that part was expensive, so that saved me some money. So that was $1,200 to the body guy. Next was $450 for transportation to deliver the car. I bought this car from Pennsylvania, and to bring it all the way to North Carolina was $450. $365, that goes to the dealer. $347.75, that was for the trunk window. For some reason, I forgot that this car came with the trunk window. I thought it broke in the accident for some reason because one day I went back there and I saw that it was missing. I didn't even realize or try to think that the body guy was the one that took the window off so he can start fixing the car. I didn't think about that for some reason. I don't know why, but he took it off, and I went back there. I saw it was missing, so I thought, oh, okay, I need one. It must have got destroyed in the accident. It is what it is. I completely messed up there, so I lost basically $350 on that. It is what it is, but it's a mistake, and kind of just have to eat it, so we're going to include it in the cost. Next was $205.81 for the taillight. That taillight was cracked and broken, so I bought a new one off eBay. The next thing we spent was $194.74 for that quarter window. Now that window was actually smashed, so we had to get a new one for that. So that quarter window got replaced. And then $115.55 for the quarter molding. It's like a molding trim piece. It's like a black piece that goes in the back. That was $115. $100 commission to my friend who sold the car for me while I wasn't there. And then $75 to the window guy, the guy that replaced the window. He charged me $75 to do that. And then $42.80 for the bumper bracket for the rear. And then $40 to the mechanic. The mechanic was the one that fixed that noise that I was talking about in the video, like in first gear, where like there's a piece of metal rubbing on the drive shaft. It was super easy fix. He went under there and just removed it. So $40 to that, which gives us a grand total of $12,229.65. That's the total for everything for this car. And then we sold it for $15,500, which gives us a grand total profit of $3,270.35, which gives us a return on our investment of 26%. So that means for every dollar that we spent, we got back $1.26, which honestly is not the greatest, but still, this is good. Alhamdulillah, we thank God for everything. But usually when these flips, I'm trying to get at least 50% back return on my investment. So for every dollar I put out, I try to get back $1.50 back. But in this flip, I did make some mistakes that I will go through in a little bit, just so you can learn from me and my mistakes, and also so I can know for sure next time to not make these mistakes. But before I get into that, we bought this car June 26th, and then we posted it August 4th, and then we sold it August 12th. So about a month and a half, which once again, I try to get in and out of these cars within about a month. So if I buy a car today, within a month, I want that car sold. I want it gone. But this was a month and a half. Still, it's okay. It's not bad, but that's just something I like to try to do. Try to get in and out within a month. And now the mistakes that I made within this flip. The first obvious mistake I made with this flip was spending $350 for that trunk window when I didn't need it. That, I'm just going too fast, and when you're moving too quick and moving too fast, you're not thinking straight, you make mistakes, you slip up. So that was a mistake. $350, that could have I could have had that in my pocket, and it would not have made the flip more expensive, but it is what it is. Second mistake I made was with the body guy. Body guy kind of took a little too long to get to it. He does have a lot of cars. I understand he's busy and all that. But after about a week or so of him not touching the car, I probably should have took it somewhere else just to get the car moving, because the car did sit for a while, and that's what took up most of the time. Like the car sat for almost a month just waiting to get fixed. So that's a little too long. But then, of course, the car sold after I posted it within about a week. So that was okay. But yeah, that's just two quick mistakes I made in this flip. Hopefully you guys can learn from it. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want to learn how to flip cars like this, I have a full program linked down in the description below. In there, you get everything, all the videos, everything you need. You also get access to me every single day. I'm going to help you through it, show you what to get, what to not get, what to avoid, how to make money in this business. But besides that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you guys thought in the comments down below. And I'll catch you in the next flip. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.